How to move, rotate and scale. Select the objects. With G you can grab the object, with R you can rotate the object, and with S you can scale the object. If you want to do it in certain axes, you can press G and then press X, Y or C, and you will move the object only on those axes. The same for rotation. Press R and then X, Y or C to rotate in those axes. For scale, the same. S from scale, X, Y or C, and then click. If you want to move, rotate or scale certain amount, you can press, for instance, R, C, 45, enter, and there you go. Also, you can use the side panel. You can press this arrow or press N, and here you can change the location, rotation or scale of the object.